Hello everyone. Let's learn today's Chinese character.
九
Watch my pronunciation.
九，鸡有九，九九，周九周，中国的土地在古代被称为九州。中国的土地在古代被称为九州。九月，九月，九月是中国开学的月份。九月是中国开学的月份。九龙，九龙，香港有个九龙半岛。香港有个九龙半岛。
Now, follow me to write this character. Keep calm when writing. Don't rush. This stroke should be written with strength. Writing this stroke well is the key. Today's character is the number 9. It also means many times, numerous, or a great amount. In Chinese culture, this character can symbolize longevity and long life. Ancient Chinese emperors liked this character very much as it symbolized imperial power and the whole world. See you next class. That's all for today.